Okay, this is a unboxing and maybe a review of the Otto
air fry
air fryer CO725. Now, we don't know where Otto comes from, but this was like 67 American dollars. So the wonderful Sophie is going to do the opening.
Wow.
So inside we have some paper, and this comes from Thailand, or you can scan as well some QR code. Yep, Thailand, you can see TH there, the www.otto.co.com.th, Thailand. And operating instructions that we possibly won't read. And there is an air fryer. So hopefully this is going to make us healthier so we can have fish and chips with no oil. And that can be for Toki, our cat. Oi, 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 oi. And there it is, in the biodegradable, plastic. And it looks actually quite nice, and it will suit our kitchen because our kitchen is sort of like black. And here, I haven't got my glasses on. We've got minutes, and then here, what's that one say? Something else. And on the top there, you've got some basic instructions on how to, or how many minutes you're going to cook the stuff. Shall we have a look inside?
This control how hot is it?
Oh, that's how hot. Okay. So let's have a look inside. Oh, did I break it? There we go. So it's just like a normal deep fat fryer, I guess. And then you just bung everything in there. You put stuff in there, and then you press the button, then bing, it may be ready. Don't know, but we're going to try it tonight.
Very exciting.
Very exciting. And we'll come back when Cho is cooking with it tonight. Oh, and the back, that's the air thing. That's the air vent. So we will read the instructions. You're going to go and buy some fish.
Yeah.
The cat is just coming down there and lie down. Well, half lie down. And let's cook with that tonight. It's very exciting. Say bye-bye.
Let's see. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so we unboxed it, all ready to go, and we're going to try fish and chips. Here are the chips. We're going to add in a little bit of salty. Going to shake that first. No, we're not going to shake it first. Yes, we are going to shake it first. Yes, get all the salt in there. Yes. Okay, shaky. And a little bit of oil. That's it. And we're going to mix that in. Shaky.
Nice. You want to put paper?
And that's it. Okay, so we've warmed this up, we think, maybe, and we're going to pop these in there. Pop these in there. Pop these in there. Pop. And you're going to lie them flat. So it's spread evenly. So they're going to cook evenly, hopefully. Now these are chunky chips.
You like that.
I like that. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it back in. Can you push it back in? Okay, now it says 12 minutes, so let's put it on 12. I can't see where 12 is. Oh, there. That's 10. That's about 12. So there we go. But we're going to check it in 5 minutes, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have to see how it's going. Bye. All right, so first of all, before we put in the French fries, which have disappeared, we plugged it in, but you can see everyone is messy again. Look at that, you see? I make it all tidy and she makes it messy. We're just warming it up, and we think we're going to try 5 minutes to warm it up, and we're cooking chips. So, oh, you can't see here, but the chips are going to be at 200 degrees. So, let's put it at 200 degrees. And we're just going to keep that for about 5 minutes, and you're going to put the chips in. That's exciting. Okay, so for you, 1 second. For us, 5 minutes. Right, getting there slowly. It's been 5 minutes, so we're going to have a look inside. We're going to pop it open. Oh. Someone is scared. Okay, so how do we open that? You see, looking there. Okay, now you know you're not going to get electrocuted. There we go. So we're just going to turn some of these upside down, and if they're a bit dry, but they don't look so dry, okay, you can spray some more oil.
It's just perfect. Not dry. It's okay.
Done? Mm-hmm. All right, so put that back in again, and we can put that on a little bit longer because it's going to be a maximum of 18 minutes. All right, bye. Let's see what they're like a little bit later. So the chips are on their final seconds, or 1 minute to go, and then this is the fish that we bought today. Not too sure what it's like. We're going to spray some oil on it. Spray, spray, spray.
Too small. Ready, chips.
Chips are ready. Let's have a look at the chips. Let's have a look at the chips.
Oh,
Mmm.
Yummy.
There we go. So we're just going to keep those warm for a while. You can cook them together, but we don't actually have the thing that you can raise up on. But we're going to put, and we're going to do exactly the same for the fish. This time the fish is how long for? It says fish 200 degrees for 8 to 15 minutes. So that's what we're going to do next. We'll be back soon. I'll be back.
Ready. Oh, so nice.
Okay, and there you go. Air fried fish and chips. Bit of tomato ketchup, and oh, how much did it cost? It's quite a basic one. It doesn't have any digital kind of buttons and things to press. About $67. It's a small one. You can get bigger, you can get more expensive. This was just a brand we didn't know much, but hey, it can cook that with very, very little oil, all air fried. Pretty impressive. Yeah. Thank you.